Happy morning, dear children. So, which assessment you are going to do today? It's your social studies assessment, right? And in this video, we will read our question paper. We will know about it so that while solving and writing the question, you won't face any problem. So, let us see our question paper. So, dear children, this is your question paper for second semester assessment 2020-21, subject social studies, standard 4, and our today's date is 19th of March 2021. Before we move on and read our question paper, let us go through the instructions which are important for you to follow. Number 1, you need to write in neat, clean and legible handwriting. You need to keep your answer sheets very clean. Number 2, you need to write all the answers in the answer sheet. You are not allowed to answer any questions in the question paper. Number 3, your details are required. Your name, class, division, date and subject. You need to write all these details on each and every page of your answer sheet. Number 4, write the questions also in the answer sheets. Number 5, the photos or the PDFs which you are going to send to the subject teachers, you need to send them before or by 8 p.m. on the day of the assessment itself. Is it clear? Now let us move on and read our question paper. So, question number 1, choose and write the correct option for the following. This particular question is for 10 marks, means each question carries 1 mark. Let us read. Who founded Sikhism? Guru Tej Bahadur. Number 2, Guru Nanak or Gautam Buddha. Second, what does the horse on the national emblem symbolize? Courage and truth, sacrifice and peace, speed and energy. Number 3, name the rule book according to which the country is governed. Constitution, country book or great book. Fourth, what does WWW stand for? World Width Web, World Wide Web or World Wish Web. Fifth, at Koraput dash are manufactured. Railway engine, jute or airplanes. Next we have dash is called the golden fiber of India. Sugarcane, jute or cotton. Number 8, what is the process of extracting minerals called? Mining, force or drilling. 9th, we have the water of seas and oceans is dash. Is it sour, sweet or salty? 10th, which is the biggest human made lake in India? It is Guru Nanak Lake or Saryu Lake or Govind Sagar Lake. I hope you all are clear with question number 1. Number 2, fill in the blanks. First, rice is a dash type of crop. Number 2, the average density of population in India is dash people per square kilometer. Number 3, dash is the fastest means of communication. Number 4, at Panchkula, dash goods are manufactured. Number 5, the holy book of Christians is dash. So, you will read the blanks carefully and then you will be filling it. This particular question is for 5 marks, means each blank carries 1 mark. Question number 3, state whether the statement is true or false. Read the statement carefully and think whether it is true or false. This question is for 5 marks. We have 5 statements given over here, means each statement carries 1 mark. Number 1, we should show respect to all the national symbols of our country. Number 2, many workers are required in a cottage industry. Number 3, increase in population leads to poverty in a country. Number 4, Sushruta was a great surgeon. Number 5, computers are not useful for any field of work. Question number 4, who am I? Read the statement and state that for which person, which thing this statement is about. Number 1, I am the symbol of hard work in the national emblem. I am the national bird of India. Number 3, I am a type of mass communication. Number 4, I am a dam constructed on river Kaveri. Number 5, I am the black diamond of India. Question number 5, match the pairs. This particular question is also for 5 marks. So let us see the pairs we need to match. On the column A we have metallic minerals, then Hindu, Kabir, non-metallic minerals and Jainism. On the column B we have coal, Lord Mahavir, iron, Ramayan, great poet. So you will be not drawing lines while matching the pairs. You will simply write the correct pair with the given column A. Okay. Question number 6. Answer the following question in one sentence. Each question over here carries 1 mark. Number 1. Which dam is built on river Narmada? Number 2. In whose rule the city Fatehpur Sikri was built? Number 4. Number 3. From which Indian language the word zero, shunya, is originated? Number 4. List 3 names of the great scientist of India. Number 5. What is communication? Question number 7. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. We have 5 questions over here. The total of this whole question is 10 marks. Means over here each question carries 2 marks. Number 1. What is a large scale industry? Which things are manufactured there? Number 2. What type of climate is good for growing wheat? Write the names of places where wheat is grown. Number 3. Why should we use minerals carefully? Number 4. Differentiate between democracy and monarchy. Number 5. What do you mean by socialism? Question number 8. Answer the following questions in detail. We have 2 questions over here and each question carries 5 marks. So the total of our whole question is 10 marks. Okay. First, list the fundamental rights and duties of our country. Number 2, list the rules we need to follow with regard to our national flag. Question number 9, mark the following in the political map of India. Dear children, you really know that what does the political map looks like. Okay, so you will get a political map and you will mark all these things in the map itself. Number 1, river Ganga. Number 2, 2 places where cotton is cultivated. Number 3, state with highest population. Number 4, 2 places where spices are produced. Number 5, 2 places where shipyards are built. So dear children, I hope you all are very clear with the question paper, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me. All the best dear children. God bless you.